Premium and discount is the smart money version of buy low, sell high. A simple filter that keeps you on the right side of value and stops you chasing price. Master this one idea, and you'll skip a huge number of bad, mid-range entries automatically. Start by defining a dealing range. A clear swing low to a clear swing high. Mark the 50% level. That's equilibrium, fair value. Everything above the midpoint is premium or expensive. Everything below it is discount or cheap. This single line reframes the whole chart around value instead of emotion. The rule follows naturally. If you're looking to buy in an uptrend, you want your entries from the discount half, below equilibrium. If you're looking to sell in a downtrend, you want the premium half, above equilibrium. Buying in premium or selling in discount means you're paying a bad price and hunting a tiny reward. Let equilibrium be the gatekeeper. Inside the discount half sits the sweet spot, the optimal trade entry, or OTE zone, roughly the 62 to 79% retracement. That's deep discount for a buy or deep premium for a sell. Entering there gives you the best price, the tightest stop, and the largest reward to risk. It's where a good idea becomes a great entry. Prop challenge, or leveling up your own trading. Signal Deck tracks every trade in R with quant-level analytics. Prove your edge. Free. Link in the description. On gold, mark the dealing range and drop equilibrium at the midpoint. Instead of chasing, you wait for price to pull back into the discount half, ideally the OTE zone, and enter with the trend from a genuinely good price. Same setup as before, but now you're only taking it where value agrees. That patience is the whole edge. So premium and discount is your value filter. Mark the range, find equilibrium, buy the discount, and sell the premium, and hunt the OTE zone for the best price. Next episode, we cover timing, kill zones, and the power of 3, so you know not just where, but when to trade. Subscribe and keep going.